Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. And today we'll show you how to connect a Mailchimp app to your Wix website. So the first things first, make sure to have a Wix account website online and open in a tab on your favorite web browser. Now go to the home page of your website and on the left-hand side underneath the Audience tab, click on Sign Up Forms. Here, you can scroll down and see all the different forms that you could do, from form building, embedding forms, making subscriber pop-ups, contacts, and etc. For now, we want to focus on embedded forms. So select it, and on the left-hand side, select Form Fields, tick email address, first name, last name, address, phone number, and birthday. From here, we can continue, and it'll show you a preview of how your form will look like on your website. Click on Copy Code from the form builder. Go to your Wix editor. Then select Edit Site. On the left-hand side, click the blue plus button. Select Embed Code, Embed HTML, and from here, this is where you want to add your code that you copied from the form builder. Things first though, make sure to position the form on the website to see how it'll be displayed when people are viewing the website you're building. Make sure to size the heading proportionally, select Enter Code, and then copy the code that you copied from the form builder here. Select Update, and there you go, you've now copied an HTML code to make a form for your website. From here, you can do some finishing adjustments to the size, height, and position, and there you go. That's all there is to it. If you've learned something new, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more easy and quick content. Thanks for watching, more to follow.